to the Bikini Bottom, where we're going to take a look at our favorite developing organism, the Krusty Krab. Spongebob, our favorite fry cook, is on his way to stimulate the transcription of the Krabby Patty. Plankton, jealous of the Krusty Krab's success, comes and inhibits the action of Spongebob. Squidward, tired and annoyed of hearing Spongebob complain about Plankton, stimulates the transcription of Mr. Krabs. Mr. Krabs will then inhibit the action of Plankton, allowing Spongebob to stimulate the transcription of the Krabby Patty, allowing the Krusty Krab to express Krabby Patties. Here's the developmental pathway. Let's take a look at a Krusty Krab lacking Mr. Krabs. The Mr. Krabs gene has been repressed or mutated in some way, preventing Squidward from stimulating the transcription of the Mr. Krabs gene. Plankton will inhibit the action of Spongebob. Squidward unable to stimulate the transcription of Mr. Krabs, meaning Mr. Krabs is not expressed. Spongebob is unable to stimulate the transcription of the Krabby Patty gene, meaning the Krusty Krab lacking Mr. Krabs will not express Krabby Patties. Now let's take a look at a Krusty Krab lacking Plankton. Plankton gene has been repressed or mutated in some way where Plankton is not expressed. Squidward will transcribe the Mr. Krabs gene, meaning Mr. Krabs is expressed, and Spongebob will go uninhibited, meaning he will stimulate the transcription of the Krabby Patty gene, meaning the Krusty Krab lacking Plankton will express Krabby Patties. Let's take a look at a double mutant, the Krusty Krab lacking Squidward and Plankton. Without Squidward, Mr. Krabs is not expressed, and without Plankton, Spongebob is not inhibited, meaning that Spongebob is able to stimulate the transcription of the Krabby Patty gene uninhibited. So a Krusty Krab lacking Squidward and Plankton means that the Krusty Krab will express Krabby Patties. Let's take a look at one more mutant, the Krusty Krab lacking Mr. Krabs and Spongebob. This one is pretty straightforward, as regardless of the rest of the pathway, without Spongebob, there is no transcription of the Krabby Patty gene. Even if a functional Mr. Krabs was present to inhibit the action of Plankton, there would be no stimulant to start the transcription of the Krabby Patty gene. So without our favorite fry cook, there's no expression of Krabby Patties.